as the 5G network is popularized in the world. Intelligent creation, intelligent travel, smartware, smart home is changing our lives. Lithium batteries, as an indispensable part of intelligent innovation products, have been integrated into our daily life. The development of lithium battery technology has greatly improved the user experience of intelligent products. Shenzhen, as the first city of research and development and innovation of intelligent products in China, affects the development of various industries in the field of high-tech.
Shenzhen Power Technology Ltd.
has been established since 2009, with high-quality products to serve more than 500 enterprises around the world. Is a lithium battery research and development manufacturing in one of the high-tech enterprises.
Hello, welcome to Shenzhen Power Technology Ltd. Data Power is a high-tech enterprise which specializes in manufacturing lithium polymer and lithium-ion rechargeable batteries. We were founded in 2009. Now we are located in our Dongguan factories. Now let's go and have a look.
In order to provide better lithium battery products, Data Power pays more attention to the safety performance and service life of the products. The company has a total of 18 research and development teams, 10 senior engineers, professional scientific research institutions and laboratories, can carry out battery composition determination, harmful substances analysis, simulated environmental use, destructive testing, and reliability experiments, and more than 20 experiments. Since its establishment 11 years ago, the company has obtained more than 20 invention patents and 10 new practical patents. At the beginning of 2019, the company's TV research and development combined with 5G products breaking through Bluetooth battery fast charging technology and electric vehicle life, low capacity loss technology. We share with all customers the latest achievements in research and development. The company adheres to the corporate vision of providing global energy products and services with quality data, strictly implement TUV and ISO 9001 quality management system standards, and strive to become global energy solutions leaders.